Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab Handy app printer showing offline, reconnect and restore access. Fix 1. Perform a quick app and printer refresh. Force close the Bamboo Handy app and then reopen it. If the devices tab is still stuck on offline, switch to the Models or Me tab, then wait for about 5 seconds and then return to Devices. Next, turn off the printer using the power switch or unplug it. Wait for around 30 seconds, then power it back on and allow it to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Fix 2. Verify your Wi-Fi and router settings. First, connect the printer to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network as Bamboo Lab printers do not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Then move the printer closer to your router if the signal is weak and change your router's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel to 1, 6 or 11 to reduce wireless interference. Now, disable AP isolation or client isolation if it is enabled on your router as it can block communication between devices. Fix 3. Rebind the printer to your account. Open Bamboo Handy and log out of your Bamboo Lab account, then sign back in. If the issue continues, log out of the account on the printer, then remove the printer from the app if necessary, and generate a new QR code from the printer and scan it with the Bamboo Handy app to bind the printer again. Fix 4. Check for Bamboo Cloud Service issues. Visit the official Bamboo Lab status page to check for ongoing maintenance or server issues before continuing with additional troubleshooting. Fix 5. Format the micro SD card. Remove the micro SD card from the printer and back up any important G-code files or time-lapse videos. Now format the card using your computer and reinsert the card into the printer and check whether it reconnects successfully. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.